Hey guys, we are here in the UPS store in Palm Springs. We have just finished this full remodel. This is Julio, general contractor. Hello. And so what has been done here is it's brand new wall with a big window. We added a few office spaces on the back. We added a restaurant for the staff. And it was fully remodeled, fully refinished. Brand new UPS store. And Julio, how was your experience with Ataman Studio?
It's great. It's the best firm we've used so far. Everything was super.
And did you have any delays?
No, everything was on schedule. Everything was streamlined. No delays.
Perfect. Are you going to work with us with next UPS store?
Hopefully.
Thank you.